You built the IVR in Twilio Studio. It routes calls, it reads balances, it answers at 2 a.m. Then the customer presses 1 to pay, and everything stalls. Here is the missing piece, end to end. Twilio gives you the pay verb. You add it to any Studio flow, and it gathers card details right there on the call. What it does not do is process the payment. For that, you need a pay connector, the piece that routes the card to an actual gateway. Setup takes 3 steps. First, create a Shuttle account. Google sign-in works. It takes about a minute. Second, connect your payment gateway. Pick the provider from the list and follow the clicks. The merchant's own gateway connects here. Third, point Twilio at Shuttle. You get a username, a password, and a connector name, and you install the Shuttle Pay Connector on your Twilio account. From then on, every payment your flow triggers routes through Shuttle to that gateway. Here is the whole thing live. The IVR asks for the card. The caller types it on their own keypad, and the payment authorises through the gateway before the call moves on. Notice what never happened. Nobody read a card number out loud. The tones go to the payment system, never into the recording. So card data stays out of your call recordings and your systems, and that is what keeps your PCI scope down. The part that never makes the demo is the decline. Some cards fail, and some callers will not read 16 digits to a robot. When that happens, the flow sends a payment link by text. The caller pays on their phone while the line stays open, and the call carries on. The IVRs that actually collect are built for the second attempt, not just the first. One connector, the gateway the merchant brings, built on Twilio, Shuttle.